See, I couldn't sleep, I couldn't rest. Thinking that one day I will escape the truth. Every minute I will still keep. What are you doing, bro? I will escape the truth. Say, ever since I be overthinking, I be overworking, I be overliving. Like, go get me every season. Yeah. Go get me every morning. It gave me this time and then I'll be. It gave me the voice, I keep on voicing. All over the world, you know my reason. Whenever I sleep at night, watch we carry chicks and screaming chicks. We live in peace. Ooh, see. बनाओ we carry chicks screaming chicks. We live in peace.
हाँ लगा दूँगा भाई। अच्छा गाँव बनाते हैं चलो।
गाँव में शूट करेंगे इसको
हाँ ले चल। इसको ले चलो। मैं मेन लीड तो हूँ।
कल सर की बुकिंग कैंसिल करता हूँ, सर से निकल के चारों भाई।
चलो।
तो वहीं से कहाँ निकल जाएंगे आपके
चलो।
प्लान का सिर्फ नाम ही लिया होता।
चलो।
बोले इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा है यार।
चलो उसमें से ज़्यादा था।
नहीं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
My nigga on the street gotta feed. What am I supposed to do? Oh, 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 yeah. Zion. Bro, give me that standing,
That's it. Okay. Where is it? Bro, where is that? That mobile stand you want?
Yeah,
Mobile stand, okay. Where is my mobile stand? Just let me check. Bro, I don't know where is it. Let me search.
CheZ.
BZ.
You don't sit.
Bro, where? I don't know where is that.
Thinking that one day back, I will escape the truth. Every minute I'm in the studio, trying one song I will escape.
You people back in London cleaning laptop.
I'm there.
Yeah.
They gave me the force. Somebody's calling you, your girlfriend. I'm the summer designer.
अच्छा.
You going outside? Bro, where's the second phone?
Hello.
Hey, yeah.
Bro, give me a second phone. Okay. Second phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. CheZ busy.